वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। You can repeat after me now. Ayun Relak Eong Ai Ouch Hayavarat Lan Nyamanga Narnam Jabhai Ghadadash Jabagadadash Khapa Chatha Chatatau Kapai Shashasar Hal You can repeat after me. Akarantaha Pullingaha Ramashabdaha Ramaha Ramo Ramaha Ikarantaha Pullingaha Hari Shabdaha Harihi Hari Harayaha Ukarantaha Pullingaha Guru Shabdaha Guruhu Guru Guravaha Dukarantaha Pullingaha Pitra Shabdaha Pita Pitarau Pitaraha Rikarantaha Pullingaha Kartri Shabdaha Karta Kartaro Kartaraha
कर्तारौ कर्तारः
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः एतद् शब्दः
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः एतत् शब्दः
एषः एतौ एते
एषः एतौ एते
मकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः इदं शब्दः
मकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः इदं शब्दः
अयम् इमौ इमे
अयम् इमौ इमे
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः तद् शब्दः
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः तत् शब्दः
तः तौ ते मकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः किं शब्दः
मकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः किं शब्दः
कः कौ के same way now स्त्रीलिङ्ग आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः रमा शब्दः
आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः रमा शब्दः
रमा रमे रमाः दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः एतद् शब्दः
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः एतत् शब्दः
एषा एते एताः
एषा एते एताः
मकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः इदं शब्दः मकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः इदं शब्दः
मकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः इदं शब्दः
इयम् इमे इमाः
इयम् इमेः
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः तद् शब्दः
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः ततः
सा तेताः
तेताः
मकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः किं शब्दः
मकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः किं शब्दः
का केकाः
काकेकाः
all these forms important to remember. Only the first case, all these whatever shabdas we chanted so far, whether pullinga or strilinga, only the first case. We have 7 plus 1 cases are there. We will see one by one. Now, please type your name in the chat box. I'll call the names in the chat box. You can do this exercise. Riktastanani Purayata. The first one you can see. Yam Lata is there. Yam Lata, Ime Lata, Ima Lataha is there. Similarly, the second one, third one, you have to fill in the blanks. So Manjuriji. Each one of you can take one by one and do it. Manjuriji, you can do the next one. Others can keep the mic in mute. Or if your mic is on, no problem. But make sure that there is no noise. Yeah. Manjuriji.
So the first one is Iyam Varta.
Yeah.
Ime Varte. Then Taha is the third Bahuvachan. So
Bahuvachanam, not Bahuvachan.
Bahuvachanam. So
In Sanskritam it is
Vartaha.
Bahuvachanam. In Hindi you can say Bahuvachan. But in Sanskritam, Bahuvachanam.
Yes, sir. So Taha Vartaha.
Yeah, next person.
Iyam.
Manjulaji. Next person.
Yes, Guruji. Iyam Agnya. Sorry, ete. Okay. Esha Agnya.
Yes.
Ete Agnye. Etaha Agnyaha.
Yes. Next person, Nageshwarji.
Guruji. Yes, Guruji. Esa Urmila.
Yesha.
Esha Urmila.
Yes.
Ete Urmile. Esaha Urmilaha.
There is no Yesaha. Yetaha.
Okay. Etaha urmilaha.
Esha, ete, etaha.
Etaha. Yeah.
Just now we chanted.
Yeah. Yeah.
Esha, urmila, ete, urmile, etaha, urmilaha. Urmila. Okay.
Urmilaha.
Next person, Jyotiji.
Yes, Guruji. Imaha. Iyam Sumitra. Ime Sumitre. Imaha Sumitraha.
Good. Next person, Girijaji. Your mic is in mute.
Sorry, Guruji. Sa chaya te chaye tha chayaha.
Taha, chayaha.
Sorry. Taha chayaha.
Okay. Next person, Srividyaji.
Namaste Guruji. Esha vanita ete vanite etaha vanitaha.
Good. Next person, Priyaji.
सा चित्रा ते चित्रे ताः चित्राः.
Okay. Next person, the name is not clear. Mac is sir. Who is Mac? Can type your name so that I can call you by the name. Otherwise, I don't know how to call you by the name Mac. Anyway, Mac is good. Next person, Nalini ji. You can do this. Like this says, Chitrani drishtva ekavachanani dvivachanani bhagavachanani cha padani likata. So you have to write the singular, dual or plural forms. Like the example, Esha kunchika, ete kunchike, etaha kunchikaha. Yem kunchika, ime kunchike, imaha kunchikaha. All these are examples. Now the third one you can do.
Sa makshika te makshike taha makshikaha.
Yes.
Yesha.
Next person, Shruti ji.
Namaste Guruji. Esha mapika, ete mapike, etah mapikah.
Mapika is ruler.
Yes, Guruji.
Next person, Kausalya ji.
Sa Dvichakra.
Oh, that is
correct?
Churika is there. Who is doing?
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Who is reading?
Kausalya.
Yeah, please.
Um,
Churika.
Okay.
Can use any because I have not mentioned any.
Okay. Okay.
Any pronoun.
Yam churika, ime churike, imaha churikaha.
Yes, Churika is knife. Next person, Lataji. Dvichakrikaha. Next person, Meeraji.
Taha. Okay. Sa te taha. Sa agnipetika te agnipetike taha agnipetikaha.
Good. Next person, Ram Kumarji.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
This is a Veena, right?
Yeah, Veena.
So, Ima Veena.
Iyam.
Yeah, sorry. Iyam Veena, Ime Veena, Ime Veene, Imaha Veenaha.
Veena. Okay. Now the next one. We are going to see new Shabda today. So we saw Akaranta Shabda, Rama Rame Ramaha, Veena Veene Veenaha, Dvichakrika Dvichakrike Dvichakrikaha. Now today I am going to introduce some new Shabda in Strilinga. So you can just listen. If you remember, I told before, the Shabdas ending with long vowels will be Strilinga in general. It doesn't mean only Shabdas must end with long vowel. Ending with long vowel only Strilinga. It can end with short vowels also. You have to understand the statement properly. Shabdas ending with long vowels will be Strilinga in general. It doesn't restrict only that much is a Strilinga. No. Strilinga Shabda can end with short vowels also. So that is what we are going to see. Ikaranta Shabda. What Shabda? Ikaranta Shabda. Ikaranta means what? E is the Anta. So Shabda ending with a short vowel E. For example, take the Mati. Mati Shabda. Mati means mind, Buddhi. Mati is Ikaranta Shabda. Mati is it's Ikaranta Pullinga. Sorry, Strilinga Shabda. See, Mati, the noun base means the mind, and the word Mati is Strilinga. Okay, you should know the linga of the Shabda. Then only you can decline, then only you can use. So, Mati. How do you decline that? Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Mati Shabdaha. And its Pratama Vibhakti will be Matihi, Mati, Matayaha. It looks same as Hari Shabda. If you can compare with Hari Shabda, Pullinga, Hari Shabda, Harihi, Hari, Harayaha. Same way, Matihi, Mati, Matayaha. So no problem in remembering because same as Hari Shabda. No change. Changes you will see in other Vibhaktis. Other Vibhaktis and Vachanam. Don't worry about it now. When it comes, we will see. But now it is same as Pratama Vibhakti, same as Hari Shabda. So you can remember this easily. Okay. Matihi, Mati, Matayaha. Yes, anybody asking any doubt?
Yeah, but Hari is a Pullingaha, right?
Yes.
So there is no way to connect and see by looking at the word. Is it a Pullinga or Strilinga?
You cannot do it. That's from the beginning, very beginning. I've been telling the noun base as gender, Shabda as gender. We cannot know the gender of the word by its meaning. Not possible. You have to know the gender of the word. The word has gender, so you have to know the gender of the word. Dictionary can help you in knowing the gender.
Okay.
Right? So only when you know the gender, you can decline. Here, Mati is Ikaranta, but not Pullinga. It is Strilinga. And Pratama Vibhakti forms seems to be same as the Pullinga Hari Shabda. Therefore, it is easy to remember. Other Vibhaktis and Vachanam will change. Will not be same as Hari Shabda. So that we will see when we see the other Vibhaktis. Okay.
Thank you.
So, Matihi, Mati, Matayaha. In the same way, some Shabdas, I'm giving it here, you can read. Next person, Amritaji, you can read. Buddhi. Buddhi also. Buddhi means intellect. Mati is mind, Buddhi is intellect. It is Strilinga. Please line and read.
Ikarantah, Strilingaha, Buddhi Shabdaha, Buddhihi, Buddhi, Buddhayaha.
Good. Mekalaji, next one.
Yeah. Harihi Om. Ikarantah, Strilingah, Bhakti Shabdah, Ekavachanam, Bhaktihi, Dvivachanam, Bhakti, Bahuvachanam, Bhaktayah, Prathama Vibhakti, all of them.
Yes. So Bhakti is also Strilinga. We cannot ask why Bhakti is Strilinga. That is how it is. Buddhi is Strilinga.
Okay.
Stuti. Next person, Manjariji, can read.
Yes, Guruji. So, Ikarantah, Strilingaha, Stuti Shabdaha, Stutihi, Stuti, Stutayaha.
Stutayaha. Next person, Manjulaji. Stuti means glory. Okay.
Okay, Guruji.
Glory. Yes.
Ikarantaha, Strilingah, Vrishtihi Shabdaha,
Vrishti Shabdaha, not Vrishtihi.
हा वृष्टि शब्दः एकवचनं वृष्टिः द्विवचनं वृष्टि बहुवचनं वृष्टयः
Vrishti means rain. Vrishtihi, Vrishti, Vrishtayaha. Now we have to fill in the blanks. Example is given. Kirti. Kirti means glory, praise. Kirti. Kirtihi, Kirti, Kirtayaha. Kirti is Strilinga Shabda. Next person, Nageshwarji. You can do.
Yes, Guruji.
Ruchi means taste.
Yeah. रुचि शब्द स्त्रीलिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति स्त्रीलिंगः रुचि शब्दः
No, no.
रुचिः
Ikarantaha Strilingah Ruchi Shabdaha. That is what we have to describe the noun base.
Okay, Guruji. Ikarantaha
Ikarantaha, not Ikarantaha. Short E.
इकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः रुचिशब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति रुचिः रुचि रुचयः.
Yes. Next person, Jyotiji.
इकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः मूर्तिशब्दः मूर्तिः मूर्ति मूर्तयः.
Murti means form. Dakshina Murti. We say Dakshina Bimka Murti. Dakshina Murti. Murti is form. Murtihi Murti Murtayaha. Strilinga. Next person, Girijaji.
Yes, Guruji. इकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः श्रुति शब्दः श्रुति श्रुतिः श्रुति श्रुतयः.
Shruti means that which is heard is called Shruti. Vedas are called Shruti. Veda Shastram is called Shruti. So Shrutihi, Shruti, Shrutayaha. Right? So it's Strilinga Shabda. Bhagavad Gita also Shruti only. That is why it is Gita. Otherwise it must be Gitam. Why it is Gita Strilinga? Why it is not Bhagavad Gitam? Because it is a Shruti. Shruti is a Strilinga. Therefore Gitam also becomes Gita Strilinga. That is the reason. It has the status of being a Shruti. Therefore, since the word Shruti is a Strilinga, therefore Bhagavad Gita also becomes Strilinga. Gita, Gite, Gita. Otherwise, if it is not a Shruti, if it is not treated like a Shruti, it can be Bhagavad Gitam. Bhagavata Gitam, sung by Bhagavan. But Strilinga is there. Why? Because it is a Shruti. It has a status of being a Shruti. Next person, Srividyaji.
गुरुजी इकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः धृति शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति धृतिः धृति धृतयः.
Dhriti is courage. Dhriti. That is Strilinga Shabda. Next person, Priyaji.
इकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः प्रीतिशब्दः
Riti.
प्रीतिः.
Where is that? Next one.
Oh, Riti.
Riti.
Riti. इकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः रीति शब्दः रीति रीतिः रीति रीतयः.
Riti means the method. The method. It's called Riti. Okay. Ritihi, Riti, Ritayaha. Next person, Naliniji, can do the next one.
इकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः प्रीतिशब्दः प्रीतिः प्रीति प्रीतयः.
Yes, Priti is, you know the meaning. Priti. Pri means to bring, to love. Priti is that which is loved. Priti. Pritihi, Priti, Pritaya. All these are Strilinga Shabda. Riti, Priti, Mati, Buddhi. So you need to know that. Okay. Now the next one. The same way, many shabdas are there. You can practice for declension. I can send you all the shabda this through WhatsApp. Meaning is not required. Meaning, if you know it is fine, but I don't expect you to know the meaning now. For your practice, you can just decline these shabdas. That will help you in being familiar with the forms. So I will send those words. It comes in a jumbled way to you. You can just practice. Okay, now the next one, Raktastanani Purayata. You have to fill in the blanks. Next person. Shrutiji, you can do.
Namaste.
The first one is Indumati. You have to use the proper pronoun. Appropriate pronoun. Yam Indumatihi, Ime Indumati, Imaha Indumatayaha. Matihi Mati Matayaha. That is what is there. Indumati. Indu is moon. Mati is mind. In fact, for the mind, the Lord is Hindu, Chandra only. Indumati is the one who has got the cool mind, a beautiful mind. Indumati. Yes, you can do the next one.
Yeah. इकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः शक्ति शब्दः सा शक्तिः ते शक्तिः ताः शक्तयः शक्तियः
only.
शक्तयः. Okay, Guruji.
Not Shakti. E becomes Tayaha. Mati becomes Matayaha. So Shaktayaha. Ime Shakti. Okay.
Okay.
That is, so not Ime, sorry. Sa Shakti.
Sa
te.
Shakti.
Te Shakti. Okay.
Shakti.
Te
Yes.
Shakti. Taha
ताः शक्तयः.
Next person, Kausalyaji. Can unmute and please read.
Sorry. Esha pritihi, ete priti, etaha pritayah.
Pritayah. Next person, Lataji.
Ta buddhihi, ete buddhi, etaha buddhayah.
Ete, it's not clear. Ete?
Ete buddhayah.
No. Esha buddhihi, ete buddhi. Yeah.
Buddhi. Etaha buddhayah.
Buddhayah. Okay. Next person, Miraji.
Yam vrittihi, ime vritti, imaha vrittayaha.
Good. Next person, Ram Kumarji.
Yes, Guruji. Sa prakritihi, te prakriti, ta prakrutayah.
Te prakriti, the long E.
Yeah, prakriti. Ta prakrutayah.
Yes. So using the pronoun in keeping with the proper pronouns, gender and vachana.
Right.
Okay. Next person, Amritaji.
Yes. Esha ritihi.
Esha riti. Okay, ritihi. Yes, ritihi.
Ete riti. Etaha ritihi.
Ritayaha.
Oh, sorry. Ritayah. Yeah.
Right? Okay.
Yeah.
Next person. Okay. After that. Now, Mati Shabda is done. Now, Mati Shabda is an example for Ikaranta Shabda. Now, Ikaranta Shabda. What do you understand by Ikaranta? It means Shabda ends with what?
Long vowel.
Long E.
Long E.
Long E. So now for that example is Nadi Shabda. For every Anta we have got one master Shabda. If you know one master Shabda, the same way other Shabdas. So Nadi Shabda. You can repeat after me. Ikarantaha Strilingaha Nadi Shabdaha.
ईकारान्तः लिङ्गः नदी शब्दः
नदी नद्यौ नद्यः So you have to know the format, how it is. Nadi is the Pratipadikam. And Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Nadi. In Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam it becomes Nadi becomes Nadyau. In Bhagavachanam Nadyaha. If you remember the format, the same format, you can decline any Ikaranta Shabda. For your understanding, I am giving here, that is, the last letter E, Nadi, E, that alone undergoes changes. If you see here, in Prathama Bhakti Ekavachanam, the E doesn't, no change happens. So E remains as E only. Therefore, you get Nadi. Whereas in Dvivachanam, you can check, you can see here, that E, the long E, which is at the end of the Shabda, it's replaced by Yau. It is replaced by Yau. Therefore, you get Nadyau. All the preceding letters remain as it is. Nothing happens. Nothing, no change happens. So, E is replaced by Yau. Whereas in Bhagavachanam, the last letter E is replaced by Yaha. So, you get Yaha. If you can remember this, any Ikaranta Shabda is declinable. Now, the next person, Mekalaji, you can read this. And describe the Pratipadikam and then decline.
It's Ikarantah Shabdah Gauri Shabdah
Ikarantah Strilingaha. That is a format.
Sorry. Ikarantah Strilingaha Gauri Shabdah Ekavachanam Gauri Dvivachanam Gaurya Bahuvachanam Gauriyau and Bahuvachanam Gauryaha. Prathama Vibhakti, all of them. Gauri, Gauryau, Gauryaha.
Yes. Now next person, Manjuriji.
Yes, Guruji. So, Ikarantah Strilingah Parvati Shabdah Parvati Parvatyau Parvatyah.
Yes. Sorry. Next person, Manjulaji.
Guruji. Ikarantah Strilingah Saraswati Shabdah Pradhama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Saraswati Dvivachanam Saraswatyau Bahuvachanam Saraswatyah.
Next person, Nageshwari.
Yes.
Yeah. Ikarantah Strilingah Bhavani Sabdah Bhavani Bhavanyau Bhavanya.
Bhavanyah. Okay. Jyotiji.
Ikarantah Strilingah Kunti Shabdah Kunti Kuntyau Kuntyah.
Yes. Now, Udaharan Drishtva Raktastanani Parayatayatu. You have to fill in the blanks. Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha is done. So, the same way, Girjaji, you can.
Yes, Guruji. Nari, Naryau, Naryaha.
Yes. Nari means woman.
Sorry, I should have said Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Nari Shabdaha, Nari, Naryau, Naryaha.
Yes. Next person, Shividyaji.
Ikarantah Kumari Shabdah Kumari Kumaryau Kumaryaha.
Next person, Priyaji.
Ikarantaha Strilingaha Janani Shabdaha Janani Jananyau Jananyaha.
Yes. Next person, Nalini.
Yes, Guruji. Ikarantaha Strilingaha Mahishi Sabdaha Mahishi Mahishyau Mahishyaha.
Good. Shrutiji. Next one.
Ikarantah Strilingaha Nati Shabdah Nati नटी नट्यौ नट्यः.
Yes. Next person, Kausalya ji.
ईकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः सहर्ची शब्दः.
What is that again?
सहर्ची
Sahachi. If it is Sahachi, then what will the form? Sahachi, Sahachyo, Sahachyaha will be the form.
Yeah, Saharchi, right?
No, it can't be Sahachi.
Sahachi.
No, it can't be, I'm saying. If it is Sahachi, then Bhagavachan cannot be Sahacharyaha, will not be there.
Sahachari.
It's good. The form is Sahachari is the Shabda, not Sahachi.
Okay.
Sahachari, Sahacharyo, Sahachari. If you say Sahachi, then where is Repa?
Okay.
In Bhagavachan, Repa you see.
Okay. Okay.
So therefore it is Sahachari, Sahacharyo,
Sahachari, Sahacharyo,
From the
Sahacharyaha.
Vachanam you have to identify the Pratipadikam.
Okay.
Now the same way, some Shabdas I'm giving here, you can do the practice. Decline these Shabdas like Nadi Shabda. All these are Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. As I said before, you will find all these Shabda. You will find Ikaranta Shabda, many Shabda in Lalita Sahasranam and other Devi Sahasranam you will find. You can practice. Then the next person, Lataji. Ruktastanani Purayata. You can fill the blank.
Ini Magishyau. Imaha Magishyah.
Yam Magishi, Ime Magishyo, Imaha Magishyaha. Okay, next person. Who is the next person after Lataji? Meeraji.
Meera. Esha Vapi. Ete Vapyau. Etaha Vapyaha.
Yes, Ramkumarji.
Yes, Guruji. So
Bhavani is yes,
Bhavani,
Bhavani, yes.
So Sa Bhavani, Te Bhavanyau, Ta Bhavanyah.
Taha.
Taha Bhavanyah.
Taha Bhavanya. Next person, Mrtaji.
Yes. इकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः पृथ्वी शब्दः
Ikarantaha. Prithvi Shabdaha. Now.
इयं पृथ्वी
Okay.
इमे पृथ्वौ
No, Prithivyau.
पृथ्व्यौ.
Only the last letter is replaced by
Yeah.
Yau. Prithivyau.
इमे पृथ्व्यौ इमाः पृथ्वयः.
Prithivyaha.
याः.
Prithvi, Prithivyau, Prithivyaha. I mean, not Prithivyaha. Nadi, Nadyo, Nadyaha.
पृथ्वयः.
Prithivyaha. Okay.
Yeah.
Prithvi, Prithivyau, Prithivyaha, Imaha, Prithivyaha.
Yes.
Next person, Mekalaji.
सा भागीरथी. सा भागीरथी.
Okay.
ते भागीरथौ. रथौ.
Not Rathau.
रथ्यौ. रथ्यौ.
Yes.
रथ्यौ. सा भागीरथी. ते भागीरथ्यौ. ताः भागीरथ्यः.
Yes. Next person. Manjari, can do the last one.
Yes, Guruji. So it is Iyam Maitri, Ime Maitryo,
Good.
and Imaha Maitriyaha.
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 This is Ikaranta Shabda. So we'll keep adding one by one. So you will find slowly the load will increase. So you need to remember and be familiar. Next one comes Ukaranta Shabda. We will do it. We will do it in the the next class. Okay, we'll stop here. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Maybe after the class, you can ask. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. If you have any doubts, please ask me.
Guruji, can you just take the declarations by on that PDF? We'll take a
Sorry?
print out. These declarations, can you just send it by PDF?
Yeah, I'll send you. Yes.
It would be helpful. Actually, it is a Bible.
Yeah, I'll send this.
Guruji, what is that last one? Iyam Maitri. What is the Bahuvachanam? Maitraya.
Okay. Bahuvachanam. I'm typing here. Can you see? This is how it form will be.
Maitriya.
That is Chakara plus Rebha plus Sikara plus Aha. The last, it's a conjunct consonant. Maitrayaha. It's not Maitrayaha. Maitrayaha. Trembakam Yajamake. That also the same. Trembakam, how it comes, the mantra. It is not Traya. It is. When you say Traya, here the letter A is there. Here also A is there. Not two A. Only A is at the end. It's a conjunct. Therefore, it must be Traya. Trembakam Yajamake. That is how you have to chant also. Right?
Trayaha.
Trayaha. Not Trayaha. In English, when you write, how do you write this? T-R-Y-A. Not T-R-A-Y-A. That is Traya. Right?
I had a question, Guruji.
Please ask.
In Bhagirathi, Sa Bhagirathi,
Okay.
correct? Te Bhagirathyav, correct?
Yes.
Is the tha half tha? I'm not sure of the spelling. That's why I'm asking. Bhagirathyav, is the tha half tha?
What do you mean by after?
Like, for instance, Maitrayaha, the
This
tra is half.
This is the, right?
Yeah, tha, yes.
This is the, that is.
No, how will you write the Dvivachanam?
Bhagirathyav.
The tha, will it become half? Is my question.
Of course, yes. Bhagirath. It becomes Bhagirathyav. 1 minute. My font is not working. This is how it becomes. Bhagirathyav.
Yes, just wanted to make sure. Yav, right? Yav.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guruji, for
Please.
this Nikaranta Shabdaha, we don't have an equivalent Pullinga. Is
No,
it
we don't
because all Ikaranta Shabdaha are all Strilinga?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Guruji.
Any doubts? Any other doubts? Okay. We'll stop here. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.